5-number summary. Recall the West Nile example. We arrived at the 5-number summary below. It is our goal to construct a box plot and discuss the shape, center, and spread of this box plot. Draw in your set of axes. Along the vertical scale, we're going to run by 25. If you notice, the data set has a jump from 119 to 1013. To accommodate the jump, we're going to put a break in the graph and continue at 1000. Label your horizontal axis. Here I'll choose to name this one West Nile. Draw in 5 tick marks. Each tick mark represents a number in the 5-number summary. The first tick mark is your minimum. Second tick mark is your first quartile. The next tick mark is your median. Then your third quartile. And then your maximum. Connect the first and the last tick marks. These lines are called whiskers. And connect your central 3 tick marks. This forms the box. The box here represents your central 50% of the data. You could think of it as the spread. In this case, the central 50% lies between this one, Q1, and this one, Q3. The center can be described by the mean or the median. In this case, the median is what we will use, and it is the central line in the box. In our case, the box plot is centered at 113. And then finally, the shape. Think of taking this box plot and rotating it in this direction. You want your number line when you rotate to go from smaller to larger. So if we rotate and then draw in the box plot, it would look like this. Put dots very close to the minimum and maximum, and another dot very high above the median. Connect the dots, and that produces the shape. In this case, we could say it's skewed to the right. Shapes that you'll notice for your horizontal box plots fall into 3 main cases. You have your skewed left, your symmetric, and your skewed right cases. Skewed left would look like this, symmetric like this, and skewed right. In the skewed cases, the median will be closer to the minimum and the Q1. In the skewed left, the median will be closer to the Q3 and the maximum. And if you fill in your dots and connect them, you can see the shape. Minimum, median, maximum, minimum, median, maximum. If your box plot is vertical, your skewed left will look like this. Median closer to the small tail. Your symmetric will look like this. Median in the middle. And your skewed right will look like this. Median closer to the small tail. That's the end of the lecture on box plots.